Check. We request our esteemed audience to kindly take your seats as the program is about to begin shortly. Audience is requested to maintain silence during the ceremony. Wishes for the graduates are welcome only in the form of applause. Kindly keep your mobile phones in silent mode to maintain the decorum of this solemn occasion. For any assistance regarding washrooms, drinking water facilities, or any guidance, please feel free to approach our volunteers.
We extend a cordial welcome to our honored guests, members of Governing Board, Advisory Committee and Management Committee, distinguished alumni, well-wishers, parents, guardians, faculty, staff, wardens and students of Muller Homoeopathic Medical College on this occasion. We also extend a warm welcome to the media personnel.
Over a century ago, a young visionary embarked on a remarkable journey, driven by purpose, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to serve humanity. Sailing across stormy seas from Germany, he arrived in Mangalore, carrying a simple yet profound message to heal and to comfort the suffering. What began as a humble step for humanity has since evolved into a significant contribution to medical science. His boundless compassion transcended all barriers of caste, creed, and religion. It was truly through divine providence that Reverend Father Augustus Muller, our revered founder, fulfilled this noble mission. Father Muller Charitable Institutions was established in the year 1880, beginning modestly as a homeopathic poor dispensary in Konkani, Mangalore.
Through his tireless service, Father Muller alleviated the suffering of countless patients with homeopathic care, earning recognition as a pioneer of homeopathy in South India. In 1883, he further extended his mission by founding St. Joseph's Leprosy Hospital, offering not only treatment but also rehabilitation, dignity, and livelihood to those affected. From these humble beginnings, the institution has grown tremendously over the years. Today, Father Muller Charitable Institutions stands as one of India's most esteemed centers for healthcare and medical education, nurturing students and professionals from across the globe.
Our mission is to advance holistic healthcare while maintaining global standards in medical education and to foster excellence in research. The vision is to establish a homeopathic medical college was realized during the centenary celebrations of the institution in 1985, an occasion graced by Saint Teresa of Kolkata, fondly known as Mother Teresa. Since then, the college has made remarkable strides and today stands among the premier homeopathic medical institutions in India. It provides a dynamic and collaborative learning environment, empowering students to excel and meet evolving challenges of the healthcare field.
Over the years, countless graduates from this prestigious institution have gone on to achieve great success in their respective fields. Today, with immense pride and honor, we gather to celebrate this graduation ceremony. This momentous occasion marks the culmination of the academic journey of our graduates as they receive their degrees and take a solemn pledge to serve humanity. As they step forward into a promising future, we join their proud families in celebrating their achievements and wishing them continued success.
To give you an overview of today's proceedings, the ceremony will commence with a grand academic procession comprising of the graduates, postgraduates, faculty members, and the dignitaries. The procession will be led by the institutional band from Father Muller Nursing College, Tumbe. They will be followed by the institutional flag bearer, the NSS program officer of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College. Next, we will witness our undergraduate graduates proudly attired who have successfully completed their academic training and internship led by the college flag bearer, the President of the Student Council. Following them are the postgraduate students of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College who have successfully completed their advanced studies and are ready to embark on the new phase of their professional journey.
They will be followed by the head of the departments, professors, associate professors, guides, dignitaries, and the VIPs. Today's solemn occasion will be presided over by Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. The chief guest, Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenepoya, deemed to be University.
The dignitaries will be accompanied by Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director, Father Muller Charitable Institutions, Reverend Father Donald Nilesh Krasta, Administrator, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Reverend Father Nelson Dheeraj Pais, Administrator, Father Muller Homeopathic Pharmaceutical Division, Reverend Father Ashwin Lawrence Krasta, Assistant Administrator, Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, Principal, Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College, Dr. Vilma Mira D'Souza, Vice Principal, Dr. Girish Navda, Medical Superintendent, Dr. Rachel Norona, Interns Coordinator and the Convener of Graduation Day 2026.
Ladies and gentlemen, the procession will commence shortly. Kindly note, we request you to keep the walkway free as the procession makes its way into the auditorium, and welcome them with a big round of applause and standing ovation as the graduates and postgraduates enter the auditorium.
To give you an overview of today's proceedings, the ceremony will commence with a grand academic procession comprising the graduates, postgraduates, faculty members, and dignitaries. The procession will be led by the institutional band from Father Muller Nursing College, Tumbe. They will be followed by the institutional flag bearer, the NSS program officer of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College. Next, we will witness our undergraduate graduates who have successfully completed their academic training and internship, led by the college flag bearer, the President of the Student Council. Following them are the postgraduate students of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College who have successfully completed their advanced studies and are ready to embark on the next phase of their professional journey.
They will be followed by the head of the departments, professors, associate professors, guides, dignitaries, and the VIPs. Today's solemn occasion will be presided over by Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. The chief guest, Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenepoya deemed to be University.
They will be accompanied by Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director, Father Muller Charitable Institutions, Reverend Father Donald Nilesh Krasta, Administrator, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Reverend Father Nelson Dheeraj Pais, Administrator, Father Muller Homoeopathic Pharmaceutical Division, Reverend Father Ashwin Lawrence Krasta, Assistant Administrator, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital, Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, Principal, Dr. Vilma Meera D'Souza, Vice Principal, Dr. Girish Navda, Medical Superintendent, Dr. Rachel Norona, Interns Coordinator and the Convener of Graduation Day 2026. Check. Graduation is a time of celebration, a time to honor the achievements of our students as they embark on a new chapter in their lives. This day signifies the culmination of years of diligent effort, unwavering dedication, and perseverance. We have assembled here to reflect not only on the academic achievements of our students, but also their personal development and transformative journey. Let's unite in celebrating the accomplishments of these exceptional individuals and extend our heartfelt wishes for their success and fulfillment in all their future endeavors.
We extend our cordial welcome to our honored guests, members of Governing Board, Advisory Committee and Management Committee, distinguished alumni, well-wishers, parents, guardians, faculty, staff, wardens and students of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College on this occasion. We also extend a warm welcome to the media personnel.
Over a century ago, a young visionary embarked on a remarkable journey, driven by purpose, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to serve humanity. Sailing across stormy seas from Germany, he arrived in Mangalore carrying a simple yet profound message to heal and to comfort the suffering. What began as a humble step for humanity has since evolved into a significant contribution to medical science. His boundless compassion transcended all barriers of caste, creed, and religion. It was truly through divine providence that Reverend Father Augustus Muller, our revered founder, fulfilled this noble mission.
Father Muller Charitable Institutions was established in the year 1880, beginning modestly as a homeopathic poor dispensary in Konkani, Mangalore. Through his tireless service, Father Muller alleviated the suffering of countless patients with homeopathic care, earning recognition as a pioneer of homeopathy in South India. In 1883, he further extended his mission by founding St. Joseph's Leprosy Hospital, offering not only treatment but also rehabilitation, dignity, and livelihood to those affected. From these humble beginnings, the institution has grown tremendously over the years. Today, Father Muller Charitable Institutions stands as one of India's most esteemed centers for healthcare and medical education, nurturing students and professionals from across the globe.
Our mission is to advance holistic healthcare while maintaining global standards in medical education and to foster excellence in research. The vision to establish a homeopathic medical college was realized during the centenary celebration of the institution in 1985, an occasion graced by Mother Teresa.
Over the years, countless graduates from this prestigious institution have gone on to achieve great success in their respective fields. Today, with immense pride and honor, we gather to celebrate this graduation ceremony. This momentous occasion marks the culmination of the academic journey of our graduates as they receive their degrees and take a solemn pledge to serve humanity. As they step forward into a promising future, we join their proud families in celebrating their achievements and wishing them continued success.
Ladies and gentlemen, the procession has begun. Kindly note, we request you to keep the walkway free as the procession makes its way into the auditorium, and welcome them with a big round of applause and standing ovation as the graduates and the postgraduates enter the auditorium.
the procession the auditorium. Leading the procession is the institutional band from Father Muller Nursing College, Tumbe, trained by Mr. Vijay Olivera and led by Miss Elizabeth. Have successfully completed their academic training, marking a significant milestone in their journey. Let us greet them with a big round of applause.
who have successfully completed their advanced studies, marking yet another important academic achievement. Following them in the procession are the heads of department, professors, associate professors and PG guides whose dedication and mentorship have shaped the success of these graduates. May I request the audience to kindly stand, accord them with a standing ovation.
And now we welcome the esteemed dignitaries of today's ceremony. We welcome Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President, Father Muller Charitable Institutions. Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenepoya deemed to be University. They are accompanied by Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director, Father Muller Charitable Institutions. Reverend Father Donald Nilesh Klasta, Administrator, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital. Reverend Father Nelson Dheeraj Pais, Administrator, Father Muller Homeopathic Pharmaceutical Division. Reverend Father Ashwin Lawrence Krasta, Assistant Administrator, Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital. Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, Principal. Dr. Wilma Meera D'Souza, Vice Principal. Dr. Girish Navada, Medical Superintendent. Dr. Rachel Noronna, Interns Coordinator and Convener of Graduation Day 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome them with a big round of applause.
now present a traditional and symbolic welcome, the Swagata, a gesture of reverence and respect deeply rooted in our culture. This will be accompanied by Aarti, gracefully performed by the students of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College.
Kindly remain standing as we now invoke the blessings of the Almighty through a prayer song led by the students.
Kindly be seated. Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College continues to uphold the legacy of excellence in healthcare and education. The institution is affiliated to the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore, and is recognized by the National Commission for Homeopathy under the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. With its unwavering commitment to the motto, Heal and Comfort, the institution has emerged as a center of excellence in academics, research, and patient care.
On this proud occasion, we gather to celebrate the 36th graduation ceremony, a milestone that marks the culmination of years of dedication and perseverance. This significant occasion marks the culmination of the academic journey for undergraduates and postgraduates of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College as they receive their degrees and solemnly pledge their commitment. It is a moment of pride, not only for the graduates, but also for their families, mentors, and the institution.
May I now request Dr. Rachel Norona, convener of Graduation Day 2026, to kindly escort the dignitaries to the dais.
May I extend a warm invitation to Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director, Father Muller Charitable Institutions, to deliver the welcome address.
Esteemed dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, members of the governing board, management and advisory committees, esteemed faculty, dear students, beloved graduates, proud parents and family members, members of the media, and all gathered here today, good morning and a heartfelt welcome to each one of you. It is with immense joy and solemn pride that we assemble on this occasion to celebrate the graduation day of the Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital, a day of fulfillment, gratitude, and new beginnings. In reflecting upon this moment, I am reminded of a profound insight from the book of Proverbs. Does not wisdom call? Does not understanding raise her voice? For wisdom is more precious than jewels, and nothing you desire can compare with her. Wisdom, in its truest sense, is the voice of God in what we do. It is the discretion earned when hard work meets faith, when perseverance meets purpose. And today, dear graduates, it is this wisdom that has brought you here and earned through years of dedication, sacrifice, and trust in a higher calling. This day marks an important milestone for our undergraduates and a stepping stone for our postgraduates. It is not merely a culmination, but a commencement. I welcome you all with the same wisdom that has earned you this seat of honor. As an institution, Father Muller Charitable Institutions now stands in its Jubilee era, entering 146 years of fruitful and committed existence. Over these years, we have traversed a remarkable journey, carving a unique identity both locally and globally. Homeopathy, with its gentle yet profound healing touch, has found a strong foothold in India and indeed within these very walls. What the sweet pills could heal, the institution has nurtured and sustained with dedication and vision. With 146 years of homeopathy here. The legacy of FMCI is not a fairy tale. It is a tale of legends, a tale of tenacity, a tale of mission with purpose, and above all, a living testament to Christ's healing ministry. Dear graduates, this day is truly yours. And so, in this welcome, I offer you a thought to carry forward. Like the bamboo shoot, whose strength lies in its nodes, each segment marking growth, resilience, and continuity, your journey too is defined by such milestones. Each node strengthens, shapes, and preserves the rooted memories of where you began. As you now step into the future, may you always remember your alma mater, your beginnings, and your journey. What you have received through the teachings of others and the legacy of this institution, may you in turn give unto others. Be a beacon of hope, as this institution has been. Be mentors to those who will follow. Be healers, not only of bodies, but of hearts and humanity. With great joy, I now deem it my privilege to extend a warm and respectful welcome to our esteemed dignitaries. With love and honor, I extend a heartfelt welcome to Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore, and the President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions. Bishop Peter Paul Saldanha has been serving as the Bishop of Mangalore since his episcopal ordination on 15th September 2018. A scholar of profound depth, he pursued his philosophical and theological formation at St. Joseph's Interdiocesan Seminary, Jaipur, and was ordained a priest on 6th May 1991. His academic journey led him to obtain a doctorate in theology from the Pontifical Urbaniana University, Rome. A shepherd known for his simplicity, listening heart, and participatory leadership, Bishop Saldanha has consistently guided the diocese and our institution with wisdom and vision. His encouragement in embracing modern advancements, including initiatives in artificial intelligence, reflects his progressive outlook rooted in service of humanity. Dear Bishop, despite your demanding pastoral and administrative responsibilities, your gracious presence with us today speaks volumes of your commitment and affection for this institution. We remain deeply grateful for your guidance, leadership, and blessings. With profound respect and joy, I welcome you to this graduation ceremony. I request Father Donald Nilesh Krasta, the administrator of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College Hospital, to florally welcome our dear Bishop. It is my proud privilege to welcome Dr. Gangadhara Somayaji, KS, an eminent academician, accomplished clinician, and distinguished administrator, presently serving as the Vice Chancellor of Yenepoya, deemed to be University, Mangalore. A graduate of Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, 1993, where he secured first class with distinction, and a postgraduate in otorhinolaryngology from Bangalore Medical College, in 1997. Dr. Somayaji's journey in medicine spans over nearly 3 decades of dedicated service. Beginning his career as a tutor in pharmacology, he steadily rose through the ranks, serving as lecturer, associate professor, and professor before joining Yenepoya Medical College in 2007, where he continues to contribute as a professor of ENT. His leadership has been exemplary, having served as a professor and head of the department from 2012 to 2019, and later as registrar of Yenepoya University from 2018 to January 2026, before assuming the esteemed office of Vice Chancellor and educator par excellence. He has been a UG teacher since 1997 and a PG guide since 2007, a recognized PhD guide since 2018. Dr. Somayaji is a skilled otolaryngologist with expertise in micro-ear surgery and endoscopic sinus surgery, complemented by a deep commitment to medical education and research. His academic contributions are remarkable, with over 75 publications in reputed journals, multiple research projects including ICMR-funded work, and contributions to standard ENT textbooks. His stature in the academic and professional community is reflected through his roles as examiner, member of the Board of Studies, academic council member, and his association with several universities across India. He has also held key positions in professional bodies, including the Association of Otolaryngologists of India. A visionary leader, seasoned teacher, and a respected researcher, Dr. Gangadhara Somayaji embodies excellence in every sphere of academic medicine. Sir, we are deeply honored by your presence today and extend to you our heartfelt welcome. I request Father Nelson Dheeraj Pais, the Administrator of Father Muller Homoeopathic Production Division, to florally welcome Vice Chancellor Dr. Somayaji. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge and express my deep appreciation to the members of our governing board, the pillars of our institution, and to our dedicated faculty who tirelessly shape the minds and futures of our students. I extend my gratitude to Management Committee, members of the Father Muller Centenary Charitable Society, administrators, assistant administrators, the deans, principals, religious sisters, advisory committee members, government officials, faculty members, administrative and support staff, and our security personnel. My sincere thanks also to the print and electronic media for your continued support. To the parents and guardians, I offer my heartfelt gratitude. Your trust in us and your unwavering support have played a vital role in shaping these young professionals. And to you, dear graduates, today you stand not only as recipients of degrees, but as ambassadors of this great institution and torchbearers of hope and healing in a world that yearns for compassion. I conclude with a prayerful wish for each one of you in the words of St. Paul from Philippians. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. As we embark on this journey together, let us be guided by the light of our shared purpose to heal, to comfort, and to spread joy. Welcome, one and all, and have a journey together ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your gracious words.
The annual report reflects the milestones and achievements of the institutions over the past year. May I now request our respected principal, Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, to present the annual report.
His Lordship, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore, Chief Guest Dr. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenepoya deemed to be University, Mangalore, respected Director, Administrator, and dignitaries on the days and off the days, graduates, parents, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to present the annual report of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College for the year 2025-26. Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College has completed 41 years of dedicated service in the field of homeopathic medical education and research. In 2025, the institution celebrated a grand Ruby Jubilee, where Ruby Jubilee Student Scholarship was launched, and administrators, assistant administrators, principals, and vice principals and medical superintendents were felicitated. Dr. K.M. Davle, Director, Dr. M.L. Davle Memorial Homeopathic Institute, Palghar, was the chief guest. Academics, the results of BHMS degree examinations conducted by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka, for the last academic year are as follows. First BHMS appeared 49, distinctions 8, first class 31, second class 4, with a pass percentage of 87.75. Second BHMS appeared 62, distinctions 9, first class 46, second class 6, pass percentage of 98.38. Third BHMS appeared 77, distinctions 7, first class 46, second class 24, pass percentage of 100. Final BHMS appeared 91, distinctions 2, first class 58, second class 29, pass percentage of 97.8. Results of postgraduate degree university examination. MD Part 2 appeared 26, distinction 4, first class 13, pass class 9, pass percentage of 100. MD Part 1 appeared 34, first class 12, pass class 22, pass percentage of 100. Ranks in the university examinations. Our students have secured 4 ranks in the top 10 in all the examinations conducted to confer BHMS degree by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences for the 2019 and 20 batch. Dr. Gina Rosalie Joy got second rank. Dr. Anna Johnson secured third rank. Dr. Sandra Shruti secured fourth rank. And Dr. Asha D'Souza, seventh rank. In addition to the top 4 ranks, our students have secured 15 academic year-wise ranks and 81 subject-wise ranks with an overall tally of 100 ranks. Meritorious students of our college were given scholarships from Dr. Mukesh Batra's Homeopathy Foundation. Postgraduate scholars of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College have secured 12 ranks in the MD Homeopathy University examination held in October 2021. Dr. Merlin Lisa James, first rank. Dr. Anu S, second rank, and Dr. A.V. Krishna Kiran Bhatt, sixth rank, and Dr. Nandagopal S, 10th rank in the specialty of Materia Medica. Dr. C. Lavanya, first rank. Dr. Grace, second rank in psychiatry. Dr. Sister Maybe James, first rank in homeopathic pharmacy. Dr. Anupama PV, second rank, and Dr. Sister Ashlyn Augustine, seventh rank in organon of medicine. Dr. Shreyank Kotian secured second rank in pediatrics. Dr. Harshita Nayalia, second rank, and Dr. Shivani Singh, 10th rank in the specialty of repertory. I congratulate Dr. Merlin Lisa James, who was awarded gold medal for securing first rank in the subject of Materia Medica by the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. Research-related activities. Research and publications in our college are fostered by Research and Scientific Committee through Research Forum for the faculty and PGs and Student Research Club for the undergraduates. Their activities resulted in increased number of research projects, publications, presentations, and achievements. There were a total of 13 faculty research projects by Dr. John Paul and Dr. Sarjan, followed by Dr. Mini and Dr. Gino Jose, Dr. Deepa Pais and Dr. Anusha, Dr. Saviana Fernandez and Dr. Arun Varghese, Dr. Sukhdev Vaidya and Dr. Manish Tiwari, Dr. Vilma D'Souza and Dr. Adlin, a team of Dr. Jacinta Montero, Dr. Skandan and Dr. Shreya Padiyar as principal investigator. Together they have conducted 3 researches. Dr. Saviana, in association with Dr. Shivashankara, Principal, Father Muller College of Allied Health Sciences. Dr. Sukhdev Vaidya, another research along with Dr. Raja Chandra. And Dr. John Paul with Dr. Sherlyn Paul and Dr. Satish S., Principal of Father Muller College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Followed by a research by Dr. John Paul. There were a total of 30 student research projects, 18 short-term research projects in homeopathy for CCRH by students, 10 Dr. M.L. Davle Memorial Research Projects funded by Father Muller Research Center and Father Muller's Homoeopathic Medical College, and 2 undergraduate research projects funded by Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. 1 Muller Researcher of the Year Award for the faculty. Faculty also secured prize in case report, case series, and poster presentation. Hearty congratulations to all of them. Dr. Meenu Maria Matthew won first prize in paper presentation at Future of Cancers National Scientific Seminar organized by Indian Homoeopathic Medical Association at Goa. Events for the year 2025. While we bid farewell to our beloved director, Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, who was blessed us as administrator for 1 year. After his appointment as director of Father Muller Charitable Institution, we welcomed Father Donald Nilesh Karasta as our administrator. At the 35th graduation ceremony, Dr. Muthu Valiyammai Nachiyappan was awarded Father Muller Charitable Institution's President's Gold Medal for the best outgoing undergraduate student for the batch of 2019-20. Best outgoing postgraduate student was Dr. Shreyang Kotian. Fostering leadership qualities, the Student Association was inaugurated by Dr. Satish, Principal, Father Muller College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College observes national days of national importance such as International Yoga Day, National Doctors Day, Independence Day, and Republic Day. Festivals of national importance were celebrated by all institutions of Father Muller Charitable Institution as Ethnic Day. At Christmas and New Year celebrations and Hostel Day, held on 17th December, local leaders who contributed to the community health programs of the college were recognized and honored. This gesture was well appreciated by all. Inauguration of 41st batch of undergraduate students and 28th batch of postgraduate students, including their Freshers' Day, was organized on 16th February 2026. Dr. Videndra Itagi, Principal, Yenepoya Homoeopathic Medical College, was the chief guest. Celeste 2025 and Orivoir 26 were farewell programs organized by the undergraduate and the postgraduate students. The connections are not only among students, but also with the parents through a unique program called Step Up. It is an initiative of the Parent-Teacher Student Association of the college to facilitate an interaction between the parents, students, teachers, thus helping to assess and guide the academic progress and personal development of the students. NSS unit of the college conducted, among various other programs, blood donation camp, Ullal beach cleaning drive, and walkathon on the occasion of World Homeopathy Day celebrated on 10th April. Various departments also conducted seminars, conferences, and workshops. Psych Me was conducted by Department of Psychiatry. Nurture was conducted by Department of Pediatrics. Quest, a national seminar, was organized by Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. And as we celebrated a meaningful World Women's Day, Gynecon, a national seminar on female malignancies, was conducted by Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. Department of Community Medicine organized more than 50 community health-related activities in the vicinity and in the remote places. Pharmacovigilance. Our institution is one among the 14 peripheral pharmacovigilance units for the Ayush medical streams. The unit conducted unique awareness programs in the form of a quiz this year for the students of Ayurveda and Homeopathy. Sports. Rajiv Gandhi University Mangalore Zone Cricket Tournament was hosted by Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College on 17th October 2025. Badminton team of our college has won the runners-up trophy of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences Mangalore Zone Badminton Tournament. Our students won mixed doubles, runners-up in the mixed doubles undergraduate category in the South India Shuttle Badminton Tournament organized by Institution of Homoeopathy Kerala, Calicut. Miss Kadambari represented the university in shuttle badminton in South Zone Inter-University Tournament. Miss Alvia Pearl Rodriguez represented the university at All India Inter-University Tug of War Tournament. And Mr. Shithil was selected to be a member for the athletics team of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. Our students have performed meritoriously at the 23rd Rajiv Gandhi University Intercollegiate Athletic Meet hosted by Alvas Ayurvedic College, Mudubidri. Hospital. Father Muller's Homoeopathic Medical College Hospital has a popular OPD and IPD setup with physiotherapy, naturopathy and yoga units and sought after care, geriatric care and palliative services with extension centers at St. Anthony Ashram, Prashant Nivas, Urban Health Center Jappu and Community Health Center Vullal and Father Muller Hospital Tumbe. Outreach health services is offered through 15 peripheral OPDs. During the previous financial year, the college hospital provided free and concessional care worth 1,28,80,973 rupees. Unique events of the college. World Homeopathy Day was celebrated on 2nd April 2025, commemorating 270th birth anniversary of founder Dr. Christian Frederick Samuel Hahnemann. Distinguished alumni of 2000 batch, Dr. Reju Karyam was the guest of honor. Another unique program is Dr. M.L. Davale Memorial Oration that is conducted every year on 14th of July. Reverend Father Ajit Meneges, Associate Director of St. John's Medical College, Bangalore, was the chief guest. Dr. K.M. Davale, Director M.L. Davale Memorial Homeopathic Institute, was a guest of honor, and keynote speaker was Director of M.L. Davale Memorial Trust Hospital, Dr. Anand Kapse. First ever international conference in association with Global Homeopathy Foundation and Central Council for Research in Homeopathy were organized from 14th to 17th November 2025. Dr. Ashley Ross, Head of the Department of Homeopathy, Durban University of Technology, South Africa, and Dr. Kim Anthony Jobs, Consultant and Director, Functional Shift Consulting Limited, United Kingdom, were the main speakers among more than 24 speakers from diverse clinical and research expertise. More than 134 research papers, including 25 posters, were presented. The conference was attended by more than 1,200 delegates. Each day of the conference was followed by a cultural extravaganza, Explora Fiesta. It is attended by more than 15,000 people over a period of 3 days. As part of Ayush Habba, organized by the Department of Ayush and Government of Karnataka, Department of Pediatrics, Father Muller's Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital successfully organized Makkal Harba for the children on 31st January and 1st February at Yenepoya International Convention Center, Mangalore. More than 200 children participated.
Strive for excellence with every achievement. The moment we have all been eagerly waiting for has arrived. After a journey marked by dedication, rigorous audits, commitment to quality, we are proud to witness a remarkable milestone in our institution's journey. Today marks the formal presentation of the NABH Ayush Entry-Level Accreditation Certificate and the NABL Accreditation Certificate, both prestigious recognitions that reflect the steadfast commitment of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital to quality healthcare, patient safety, and excellence in laboratory services. NABH accreditation signifies that the institution complies with comprehensive and stringent standards that encompass all aspects of healthcare delivery, including patient rights and education, infection control practices, medication safety, and continuous improvement. NABL accreditation in parallel certifies the technical competence of the laboratory. It mandates validated testing methods, precise calibration, internal and external quality control measures, staff competency, and meticulous documentation practices. On behalf of the entire staff of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital, I now have the honor to invite Dr. Girish Nawada, NABH Coordinator, and Dr. Sheena Kane, NABL Coordinator, along with our Administrator, Reverend Father Donald Nilesh Krasta, and all the dignitaries on the dais to formally present these esteemed certificates to the management, symbolizing our collective pledge to uphold and continually enhance the highest standards of healthcare excellence.
Thank you, ma'am.
We now move on to another proud milestone of our institution. Father Muller Homeopathic Pharmaceutical Division, with the brand name of Muller's Homeopathy, traces its rich legacy back to our founder, Reverend Father Augustus Muller, who played a pivotal role in popularizing homeopathy in India. Over the years, we have built strong expertise in homeopathic formulations and ethical pharmaceutical manufacturing. Today, we are taking a progressive step forward with the introduction of Muller's Cosmeceuticals, a specialized range designed to bridge the gap between dermatological science and gentle, skin-free therapeutic care. Our cosmeceuticals are developed with a focus on quality, safety, and clinical relevance, keeping in mind the expectations of modern dermatological practice. May I now request the dignitaries, along with Reverend Father Nelson Dheeraj Pais, Administrator, Father Muller Homeopathic Pharmaceutical Division, to release the products. I also invite Mr. Mansoor Khan, CEO of Origo Cosmeceuticals Bangalore, and Mr. Ratan Kumar, Production Manager, Father Muller Homeopathic Pharmaceutical Division, to join the dignitaries for the release.
Caring for lives, restoring balance, building trust. Through the science of homeopathy, we've touched millions of lives with care that is gentle yet deeply effective. Today, that same philosophy takes a new form, from healing within to caring for what the world sees. We are proud to announce the launch of Muller's Cosmeceuticals, a new chapter inspired by over 145 years of homeopathic heritage. Rooted in time-honored principles of gentle healing, natural balance, and eco-conscious care, this range brings tradition and innovation together. Introducing Muller's Skincare and Hair Care range, thoughtfully crafted to nurture, protect, and enhance your natural beauty with the purity and effectiveness you can trust. Experience care that is holistic, sustainable, and truly transformative, where tradition meets innovation and nature meets science. formulated with precision, inspired by natural healing principles, designed to be gentle, safe, and effective. Because true care goes beyond healing, it continues every single day. Muller's Cosmeceuticals, care that continues beyond healing.
Thank you, dear dignitaries. As a part of our launch offer, the newly released products are now available at a 40% discount on MRP. Together, let us move towards safer, holistic, and clinically meaningful skincare solutions.
Let us now rejoice in the accomplishments of our graduates. As they receive their degrees today, they step into a new phase of life, ready to serve as dedicated homeopaths committed to the noble mission of healing and comforting humanity. As we begin this segment, we humbly request the audience to kindly refrain from approaching the dais, as it may disrupt the proceedings of this solemn ceremony. An official photographer has been designated for this occasion. We request your cooperation in maintaining the decorum of the ceremony.
May I now invite Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, Principal, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, to present the graduates of the undergraduate degree. I also extend a cordial invitation to our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenepoya deemed to be University, to kindly confer the degrees upon the graduates.
Honorable dignitaries, on the days and off the days, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to present to you the graduates of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, Dr. Adityan R. Dr. Adria Jasmine Pereira, Dr. Angel Benoy, Dr. Aishwarya R. Dr. Ajay Joseph Annaraj T. Dr. Akhil Montero, Dr. Alina George, Dr. Alina Shaji, Dr. Alan Jinson. Dr. Alvia Pearl Rodriguez. Dr. Anaga Purushottaman. Dr. Angelic Trisa. Dr. Sister Anita K.Y. Dr. Anne Grace. Dr. Sister Anne Maria Tom. Dr. Anusha Umesh Pai. Dr. Arati K. Dr. Arya Sanal. Dr. Sister Ashna George. Dr. Ashmita. Dr. Atira C.P. Dr. Atmika Martin. Dr. Sister Atulya Varghese. Dr. Aisha Hamda. Dr. Ainul Marcia. Dr. Bevara Khavya. Dr. Bhumika Appaji Maste. Dr. C. S. Jolene. Dr. Chinnamadula Tulasi. Dr. Darshan R. M. Dr. Devishri. Dr. Dhanyashri Kulal. Dr. Gamana. Dr. Guru Priyan. Dr. Harsha R. Dr. Harshit Rao. Dr. Jasmine Susan Suni. Dr. Joe Paul. Dr. K. Kadambari, Dr. Kajal J.G. Padinjarayal, Dr. Kevin S. Matthew, Dr. Leena L.A., Dr. M.C. Anjana, Dr. Muhammad Rafiq Nadaf, Dr. Mamata M.L., Dr. Manoj Kumar, Dr. Mark Wilson, Dr. Megha, Dr. Nafisatul Muhsina, Dr. Nandana T, Dr. Ninu Maria John, Dr. Neha Marita Pais, Dr. Neha V, Dr. Nail, Dr. Padmapriya S, Dr. Pushpita S, Dr. Rehana Sadia, Dr. Renita Olive, Dr. Rita Rohita, Dr. Sister Roja Elizabeth Johnson, Dr. S. Haripriya, Dr. Saman Khan, Dr. Sania Khan, Dr. Sanjana Devi P.K., Dr. Saklain Raza Razvi, Dr. Shitil Joseph, Dr. Srija M. Taddewadi, Dr. Shruti S., Dr. Shruti Shraddha. Dr. Shamolini. Dr. Siddhartha B. Dr. Sneha Ashok Aski. Dr. Sneha S.Y. Dr. Sneha Kamble. Dr. Shreya V. Dr. Sri Kanya. Dr. Sushmita S. Dr. SVK H. Likhita Saugandika. Dr. T.P. Hrudya. Dr. Tanuja N.J. Dr. Tejaswini P. Dr. Vangala Charmika. Dr. Vasha S. Dr. Vinayak Balaji Vairage. Dr. Vansakani. Dr. Midyala Prajyoti. Dr. S. Srija. Dr. Bhaktula Bhagat Chandra. Dr. Muhammad Azharuddin. Dr. Sanat Karthik. And Dr. Akhil N. Raj.
Thank you, dear dignitaries. May I now request our principal, Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, to administer the oath of a homeopathic physician to the undergraduate graduates.
I request homeopathic graduates to rise. Extend your right hand forward. And repeat after me. I, to consecrate my life to the service of humanity, even under threat, I will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the laws of humanity. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life. I will not permit considerations of religion, nationality, race, political beliefs, or social standing to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity in accordance with the principles of homeopathy as laid down by Master Samuel Hahnemann. The health of my patient shall be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confided to me. I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude which is their due. I will maintain by all means in my power the honor and noble traditions of medical profession. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Please lower your hands. Hearty congratulations to you, dear doctors. Please be seated.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, as we witness this proud and momentous occasion, let us come together in a resounding round of applause to celebrate the remarkable achievement of our graduates. Their journey of dedication and perseverance has led them to this milestone, and today we honor their success.
We now move on to honor the remarkable accomplishments of our postgraduate students. Their journey reflects dedication, perseverance, and a deep commitment to advancing the science of homeopathy. May I invite Dr. E.S. Prabhukiran, Principal, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, to present the postgraduates. And I humbly request Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions, to kindly confer the degrees upon the postgraduates.
I am pleased to present to you the postgraduates of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College. Dr. Divya K.P. Dr. Ezekiel Eliezer Varba. Dr. Godekar Shivani Shivaputra. Dr. Kirti. Dr. Sanjay Thomas Raj. Dr. Braganza Lisha May. Dr. Nikita V.M. Dr. Akshara T. Dr. Akshay J. Nair. Dr. Chaitra Pawar. Dr. Penumechu Shravya. Dr. Sri Lakshmi S. Dr. Meher Varghese. Dr. Ravi Raghul G. Dr. Sakshi. Dr. Pooja Mudhul. Dr. Sripada. Dr. Abby Johnson. Dr. Sushmita KB.
Thank you, dear dignitaries. Hearty congratulations to all our graduates and postgraduates on this proud achievement marking the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. As you move forward in the direction of your dreams, remember that you are capable of achieving far more than you imagine. May your aspirations guide you and may your journey ahead be filled with purpose, success, and fulfillment.
With immense pleasure, I invite our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenepoya deemed to be University, to give his valuable message on this occasion.
Most Reverend Father, Dr. Peter John Saldanha, the Bishop of Mangaluru, and the President of Father Muller's Charitable Institutions, Director, Father Muller's Charitable Institutions, other administrators of Father Muller's group of institutions on the dais, the principal of the college, the medical superintendent, the conveners for this graduation ceremony, delegates on the other side of the dais, and of course, most important, the graduates and their proud parents. I am very, very happy to be here today. In fact, this is my second trip to this particular auditorium within a span of 2 weeks. I was here actually 2 weeks ago for another function. I am much pleased to be here today. It's in fact my privilege to address all of you on this momentous occasion, that is the graduation day for all of you. In fact, graduation day is a special day for anyone from whichever college, because you have earned the license for whatever you have studied. It's very, very important that you celebrate it properly and royally like this. My congratulations to all the graduates who have graduated today, both undergraduates and postgraduates. Mainly because, number one, of course, you have got your degree, and number two, you have graduated from one of the most reputed colleges. One of the most reputed colleges. I'm telling this because, being the Vice Chancellor, I'm aware of what is happening. Indeed, it is only the Father Muller's Homoeopathy College who are consistently able to fill all their 100 seats always, year after year. All other homeopathy colleges are suffering to complete their quota of admissions, of course for various reasons. Some of the reasons vested with the administration and the governance, and of course some of the reasons with the colleges as well. When the situation and the scenario is like this, you must consider yourself lucky to have got an admission to such a prestigious college and to have graduated. Homeopathy is one speciality which I like, not just because it is a medical speciality, because that is one area where the history is given the maximum importance. I don't know how many of you are aware, when we were undergraduates, similar situation probably existed even in allopathy. My teacher sir is here, so he will agree with me, Professor Sanjeev Rai. Those days, our teachers used to tell us, you talk to the patient, 90% of the times the diagnosis is clear. Maybe another 10% you might have to do investigations. I always used to tell my students in the earlier days when I used to take undergraduate classes, 70% of the times the diagnosis is clear from the history. Clinical examination maybe will help you to diagnose in another 20% of the cases, and 10% only investigations. But what has happened today in allopathy practice, doctors do not see patients. They see the investigation reports. Some of the places, the corporate hospitals and in some of the specialized areas, the doctors will see the patients only after the investigation reports are ready. That is the tragedy. Whereas homeopathy still believes in history. I am still committed to the fact that history can diagnose diseases provided it is properly taken. You just have to spend time with the patient, say 15 minutes. You get a lot of information which may help you to diagnose straight away the patient's illness without any other additional investigations. That is still a fact in homeopathy. The second advantage of talking to the patient is that you don't just get information regarding the illness, but also you gain the confidence of the patient that you will be able to offer him some cure. Unfortunately, what is happening in the present scenario is that we try to treat the disease within the patient and not the patient. See, ultimately, we do not bother about who is the patient and what is wrong with him, apart from the illness, why he has come to you. I agree, that is important. It is quite important that you treat his illness and give him, some kind of remedy, but that may not happen unless and until you treat the psyche of the patient. In the sense, you treat the patient as such. It's the holistic approach which is more important, and that is where your homeopathy is concentrating on. Thanks to a lot of misunderstandings and our policies and a lot of other reasons, homeopathy discipline is undergoing some kind of disturbance and also some kind of difficulty. Unfortunately, we are also partly responsible. The governance is responsible. In spite of the seats remaining vacant in some of the prestigious and good colleges in homeopathy, our governance is still sticking to the NEET eligibility. They are not ready to relax the criteria for admission. They are keeping the staff position and also the other infrastructure requirements similar to probably another allopathic college, which is quite difficult from of the standalone colleges to achieve. For maybe many other reasons, homeopathy is having some difficulties. But that doesn't mean that the speciality or the discipline is going to end. Difficulties are there everywhere in every discipline. I'm sure the homeopathy will be able to cross all these, and again the glory will retain in the future. What is the scope for all of you as homeopathy graduates today? There are ample opportunities. In fact, homeopathy is one discipline, unless allopathy, you can straight away get into the patient care. There are, in fact, many areas in the country where there are no doctors available at all. Though the government is talking about having increased number of doctors everywhere, the doctors are concentrated, be it allopathy, be it Ayurveda or homeopathy, the doctors are there only in cities. Rural areas still lack doctors. So there are ample opportunities for all of you to probably straight away get into the clinical practice, probably little away from the city, maybe in your hometown. There are ample opportunities for all of you to do post-graduation. In fact, I urge at least some of you should take this seriously, because any specialty grows only when the post-graduation is done in that particular specialty, be it materia medica, repertory, organon of medicine. Any specialty for that matter requires postgraduates. That is where the specialty also grows, you will also grow. I urge at least some of you should take up post-graduation in the specialties of your interest and liking, and definitely it will yield very good results. The third thing is research. See, a lot of things are happening. The council is also giving importance to research in homeopathy nowadays. The Central Council for Research in Homeopathy has been giving grants for research in homeopathy, and this is the time when people should get involved in the research, just to show the world that homeopathy is not just a placebo. In fact, in our university, we have established a dedicated center for research in homeopathy, where they are trying to get into the details of the nanoscience of molecular medicine and the biochemistry, to look into the constituents of some of the homeopathic medicines and try to show the scientific world that there is definitely some amount of scientific evidence in homeopathy treatment. Probably if more and more people get involved in research, that will again help homeopathy to regain its glory if it has lost some glory in the recent past. One more thing I would like to stress here. In fact, I'm not, I'm basically a surgeon. Surgeons speak less and, they do more, isn't it? Unlike physicians who talk more and do less. Of course, with due respect to all my teachers, I usually talk less. But before I close, one thing I would like to, ascertain here. There are three things all graduates shall remember. One is to respect your patients. Because of your patients, you have today got a degree. If not for the patients, you stand nowhere. Whatever you have learnt in whatever specialty you have graduated, it's all because of your patients. Every patient, I tell you, is a unique case. You learn from each and everybody. No disease manifestations appear to be similar. Though they appear from outside as similar, inside there will be some difference somewhere. So every patient you have to bow your head and respect. The same thing will continue, should continue even in future. Treat every patient with utmost respect. Number two, the same respect you should give for your alma mater and your teachers. If not for this college and if not for your teachers, you stand nowhere again. So please respect your teachers forever. Keep visiting your alma mater every now and then. Grow along with your institution and help your institution to grow much more. That is your responsibility as an alumni. And third one, I feel it's most important, is to respect your parents. If your parents had not taken that decision to put you to a medical school, homeopathic school, again, you would not have become a doctor today. Maybe they won't tell you, they would have struggled and suffered a lot during your course of study for various reasons, including financial reasons. Education is not cheap nowadays. It comes at a cost. To meet that cost is not easy for any parent. The cost stands different in different colleges for different programs, but it is there. So please respect your parents for whatever you are today. These three things you should never ever forget being a graduate. I thank all the organizing team here for having invited me and allowing me to interact with you, talk to you. Have a pleasant day. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words.
Graduation Day marks a milestone filled with pride, excitement, and the promise of new beginnings. On behalf of the graduates, I request Dr. Sri Kanya to share her sentiments and gratitude on this memorable day.
उत्तिष्ठता जाग्रता प्राप्य वरा निबोधतः उद्यमेन हि सिद्धन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः. It means arise, awake and strive until you reach the highest goals. For success is never achieved by mere dreams but by relentless effort. His Lordship, the Bishop of Mangalore Diocese, our esteemed chief guests, distinguished dignitaries on and off the dais, respected faculty members, proud parents, and my dear fellow graduates. A warm and a heartfelt good morning to everyone present here. Today, this moment feels more than just a graduation. It feels like a story, a journey, a transformation that words can hardly hold. Standing here today, I feel deeply honored, not merely to speak, but to stand as a voice for a batch filled with stories, struggles, and quiet victories. There was a time when we walked into this campus with hesitant steps, unsure minds, but hopeful heart. And today, we stand here transformed, not suddenly, not easily, but beautifully. If I could describe our journey of each year in just a word, first year was overwhelming. Second year was a reality. Third year, awakening. And final year, the process of becoming. And internship, the transformation. Not just learning medicine, but becoming the doctors we once dreamt of. And behind that becoming were the supporting hands, whose presence became the strength behind our learning. And today, I would like to take this moment on behalf of my entire batch to express our heartfelt gratitude to them. Our journey was guided by leaders who didn't just hold positions, but created an environment where we felt seen, heard, and supported. We were fortunate to have our directors, Reverend Father Richard Aloysius Coelho, whose ever-smiling presence during our early days brought warmth and reassurance. And Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, who first walked in with us as administrator and now leading us as director, making this journey feel beautiful. He reminds us that true leadership is not just seen, but felt. Our administrators, Reverend Father Roshan Krasta, who never stood apart from students, but always stood among us, making the campus feel less like an institution and more like a community. And Reverend Father Donald Nilesh Krasta, whose compassionate approach is reflected in the way he walks into the wards, connects personally with the patients, and truly listens, reminding us that medicine is not just about systems, but about humanity. To our dear teachers, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our faculty led by respected principal, vice principal, and medical superintendent for their constant support, guidance, and unwavering belief in us. Our teachers have been more than just teachers. They have been our mentors, our pillars of strength, and guiding light through every phase of this journey. In moments of doubt, you gave us confidence. In moments of confusion, you gave us clarity. And in moments of exhaustion, you reminded us why we began. And beyond these walls, to all those who became a part of our learning, the doctors, the nurses, the guides we met during our postings, in hospitals, the PHCs, thank you for shaping us in ways that go far beyond textbooks. Your lessons, seen and unseen, will always stay with us. Not every contribution comes with a name, but every effort leaves an impact. To all those who stood by us, guided us, and supported us in countless unseen ways, we carry our heartfelt gratitude. Graduation isn't just for the kids. It's for every parent who survived the journey too. To all the beloved parents over here who have traveled miles, crossed distances, and carried silent prayers in their hearts just to witness this moment. And today, as I stand here on this stage, there is something beautiful happening in front of us. The same parents who once held our tiny fingers to help us take the first step are now standing here holding cameras, trying to capture this moment we worked so hard for. Your one call, your one word of belief, your quiet, you can do it, became the strength we didn't know we actually had. This walk, this stage is not just ours, because today, as we wear this with pride, we know we are also wearing your dreams. You have believed in us when we doubted ourselves. So, this achievement carries your name just as much as ours. To those who came in search of healing and in the process became our greatest teachers, you have been a part of every step of our journey. When we knew so little, you still placed trust in us. When we hesitated, you responded with patience. Through your gentle smiles, warm handshakes, and heartfelt blessings, you have given us more than knowledge. You have given us confidence. You saw doctors in us even before we believed it ourselves. And for that, we carry a gratitude that words will never be truly enough to express. Of course, this journey wasn't always perfect, but the system we belong to never let us down. It shaped us, strengthened us, and gave us an identity we will carry with pride. We often say we came here to earn a degree, but somewhere along the way, the degree remained the goal, but the friendships became the story. My dear fellow Mavericks, we did it. After countless late nights, endless assignments, and moments when we weren't sure if we could make to this point, but now we are here. Walking across this stage isn't just about receiving a degree. It's about everything it took to get us here. The perseverance, the sacrifice, the growth, and whatnot. Today is not just celebrating how far we have come. It's about understanding how far we are yet to go. We are stepping into a world that will trust us, depend on us, and sometimes lean on us in its most vulnerable moments. And yeah, as I can see from here, right now, I know there's a mix of excitement and fear. The world beyond graduation may feel big and uncertain, but that's okay, because it is the beginning of something incredible. I know it is hard to turn the page when you know someone won't be in the next chapter, but the story must go on. Let's go forward with confidence, learn and grow together. People may forget what we prescribed, but they will never forget how we made them feel. And finally, let us promise ourselves that the pride we see today in our parents' eyes, we will protect it, honor it, and live up to it. There is a phrase, Vaidyo Narayano Hari. A doctor is a form of God, the healer. May the healer within us always remain kind, always remain humble, always remain human. I thank the entire Father Muller institution for shaping us as doctors, which we never dreamt we would have been succeeded to this extent. I'm always grateful for the institution, and congratulations, dear doctors. Wishing you all our very best, and may your hands heal and your hearts inspire. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Sri Kanya, for sharing heartwarming sentiments.
Acknowledging exemplary students is a cherished tradition that celebrates academic excellence, leadership, and distinguished achievements. It is now time to honor our meritorious students for their exceptional dedication. May I request Dr. Vilma Mira D'Souza, Vice Principal, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, to present the list of university rank holders and the prize winners. I invite Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President, Father Muller Charitable Institutions, to do the honors.
Good morning to all. I take immense pride in announcing the names of the meritorious students of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College. At Father Muller Charitable Institutions, we have numerous academic prizes awarded to the deserving students. In first BHMS, Father Muller Charitable Institution Prize for obtaining highest marks in the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science examination of March 2025 is awarded to Ms. Farah Mariam. Father Muller Charitable Institution Prize for obtaining second highest marks in the RJHS examination of March 2025 and highest marks in Physiology and Biochemistry, sponsored by Faculty Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, is awarded to Ms. Vaishnavi Vinayak Hegde. Prize for obtaining highest marks in RJHS examination of March 2025 in the subject of Human Anatomy, sponsored by Faculty Department of Anatomy, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, is awarded to Ms. Neelava Virupakshappa Sunagar. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of Pharmacy, sponsored by Mr. Arun Fernandez, Mrs. Gladys Pinto, and students of 2002 batch, is awarded to Ms. T. Bhumika. Second BHMS, FMCI prize for obtaining highest marks in the RJHS examination of March 2025 and highest marks in the subject of Pathology and Microbiology, sponsored by late Reverend Father Peter S. Norona, Mrs. Sudha M. and Dr. G.S. Johar, UK, is awarded to Ms. Afrina P.H. FMCI prize for obtaining second highest marks in the RJHS examination of March 2025 and also securing highest marks in the subject of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, sponsored by Dr. Medona Joseph, former HOD, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, in memory of late Mr. Johnny T.J., her beloved husband, is awarded to Miss Pooja P. Third BHMS, Father Muller Charitable Institution Prize for obtaining highest marks in the RGHS examination of March 2025 and prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of obstetrics and gynecology in the RGHS examination held in March 2025, sponsored by Dr. Vilma D'Souza, Vice Principal, Professor and HOD, Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, is awarded to Miss Chetana PL. FMCI prize for obtaining second highest marks in the RGHS examination of March 2025 is awarded to Miss Olivia Paul. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of surgery in the RGHS examination of March 2025, sponsored by late Dr. Rita Chakrabarti, former Professor and HOD, Department of Repertory, in memory of late Dr. Pranabnanda Chakrabarti, her beloved husband, is awarded to Miss Hima S. Akbar. Fourth BHMS, FMCI prize for obtaining highest marks in RGHS examination held in August 2025, also securing highest aggregate marks for 3 years in the subject of Materia Medica, sponsored by Dr. Amita Baliga, Professor and HOD, Department of Materia Medica, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, in honor of parents, family members and teachers. And also prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of repertory, sponsored by Mrs. Elsie and Mr. Tony Mascarenas and the student of 1998-99 batch. Also obtaining highest marks in the subject of community medicine, sponsored by the students of 2001 millennium batch and the students of 2003 batch, is awarded to Dr. Shrikanya KH. Father Muller Charitable Institution Prize for obtaining second highest marks in RGHS examination held in August 2025. Also prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of repertory, sponsored by Mrs. Elsie and Mr. Tony Mascarenas and the students of 1998-99 batch. And also prize for obtaining highest aggregate marks for 3 years in the subject of organon of medicine and homeopathic philosophy, sponsored by Dr. Shiva Prasad K, in honor of his parents, late Shri K.R. Suvarna and late Srimati Sabita R. Suvarna, is awarded to Dr. Akhil Monteiro. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of practice of medicine, sponsored by Mrs. Sudha M. and Mr. R.W. Khanna, is awarded to Dr. Gurupriyan K.K. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of repertory, sponsored by Mrs. Elsie and Mr. Tony Mascarenas and the students of 1998-99 batch, is awarded to Dr. Danyashri G. Kulal. Prize for obtaining highest marks in the subject of community medicine, sponsored by the students of 2001 millennium batch and the students of 2003 batch, is awarded to Dr. Pushpita S. MD Home. I take immense pride to announce the MD Home meritorious students of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College for securing highest aggregate marks in Part 1 and Part 2 MD Home in the subject of Materia Medica, sponsored by Dr. Amita Baliga, Professor and HOD Department of Materia Medica, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, and her father, Mr. K. Vishwanath Bhakta, in honor of family members, is awarded to Dr. Merlin Liza Jain. Highest aggregate marks in Part 1 and Part 2 MD Home in the subject of Pediatric, sponsored by Dr. Joshna Shivaprasad, Professor and HOD Department of Pediatric, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, in honor of her parents, Mr. MP Amin and late Mrs. Ashilata, is awarded to Dr. Shreyang S. Kotian. Highest aggregate marks in Part 1 and Part 2 MD Home in the subject of Organon of Medicine, sponsored by Dr. Jenita Rosario Fernandez, Professor, Department of Organon of Medicine, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, in honor of her parents, late Mr. Rosario and Mrs. Anna Chevrin Fernandez, is awarded to Dr. Anupama PV. Highest aggregate marks in Part 1, Part 2 MD Home in the subject of Psychiatric, sponsored by Dr. Girish Navada, UK, Professor and HOD Department of Psychiatric, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, in honor of his parents, late Mrs. Nagaratna and late Mr. K. Krishnamurthy, is awarded to Dr. C. Lavanya. Highest aggregate marks in Part 1 and Part 2 MD Home in the subject of Repertories, sponsored by Mrs. Pranamita Chakrabarti, daughter of late Dr. Pranabnamba Chakravarti and late Dr. Rita Chakravarti, in honor of her mother, late Dr. Rita Chakravarti, former Professor and HOD Department of Repertory, is awarded to Dr. Harshita Nayalga. All India Inter-University Sports Recognition. It is with immense joy we recognize the contribution of our students from the graduating batch for representing the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka in All India Inter-University Tournament. Dr. K. Kadambari for representing the college 3 times at Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science Badminton Women Team South Zone Inter-University Tournament. Dr. Shithil Joseph for representing college at Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science Athletic Team All India Inter-University Championship. Dr. Alvia Pearl Rodriguez for representing college at Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science Tug of War Women Team All India University Tournament. RGHS ranks. With immense joy, I am proud to announce that the Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College has secured 4 UG ranks out of 10 ranks declared by the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka for the overall BHMS examination conducted from February 2021 to August 2024. Father Muller Charitable Institution is proud to felicitate the RGHS rank holders. BHMS 2019-20 batch, 2nd rank, Dr. Gina Rosalie Joy. 3rd rank, Dr. Anna Johnson. 4th rank, Dr. Sandra Shruti S. And 7th rank, Dr. Asha D'Souza. MD Home 2021 batch rank holders. Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College has secured the following ranks declared by the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka for the overall MD home examination held in October 2023 and March 2025. Materia Medica, first rank is awarded to Dr. Merlin Liza James. Second rank, Dr. Anu S. Sixth rank, Dr. V.R. Krishna Kiran Bhatt. We also would like to acknowledge in absentia 10th rank received by Dr. Nanda Gopal S. Organon of Medicine, second rank is awarded Dr. Anupama P.V. And 7th rank, Dr. Ashlyn Augustine. Dr. Sister Ashlyn Augustine. Psychiatry, first rank is awarded Dr. C. Lavanya. We also would like to acknowledge in absentia second rank received by Dr. Grace. In repertory, fifth rank is awarded to Dr. Harshita Nayalga. And 10th rank, Dr. Shivani Singh. Pharmacy, first rank, Dr. Sister Maybe James. Pediatrics, second rank, awarded by Dr. Shreyank S. Kotian. RJHS Gold Medal awardees. Father Muller Charitable Institution is proud to felicitate the RJHS Gold Medal awardee. RJHS Gold Medal for securing highest marks in MD Homeopathic Materia Medica is Dr. Merlin Liza James. CCRH Scholarship for Quality MD Dissertation in Homeopathy 2025-26. Dr. Shreyank S. Kotian, MD Home, Pediatric 2021 batch and an alumnus has been selected for MD Scholarship 2025-26 by Central Council for Research in Homeopathy for Quality MD Dissertation in Homeopathy for his dissertation titled Evaluating the Appetite Stimulating Action of Homeopathic Medicine Alpha-Alpha by assessing the changes in salivary ghrelin concentration among preschool age children with low appetite. Best Student Research Award. Dr. Janu Perli Sharon Memorial Research Award for the Best Outgoing Student Researcher with the maximum achievements in research and publication from the graduating batch, sponsored by 2017-18 alumni of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and parents of late Dr. Janu Perli Sharon, is awarded to Dr. Kadambari. Award of Excellence UG. Award of Excellence for Undergraduate Students 2020-21 batch, instituted by 1997 alumni batch is awarded to Dr. Shrikanya K.H. Dr. Sumod Jacob Solemn Award of Excellency for Postgraduate Student of the year 2022-23 batch, sponsored by 6th batch of Mullerian, is awarded to Dr. Akshara. Now coming to the most awaited moment to announce the best outgoing postgraduate and President's Gold Medal for undergraduate. Best outgoing student from the postgraduate batch 2022-23, sponsored by Dr. S.K. Tiwari, former principal, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College, in memory of his beloved wife, late Mrs. Savita Tiwari, is awarded to Dr. Akshay J. Naik. President's Gold Medal. The President of Father Muller Charitable Institution has instituted President's Gold Medal for the best outgoing undergraduate student of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College. I request our dear Administrator, Reverend Father Donald Nilesh Krasta, to announce the President's Gold Medal awarding. I also request all the dignitaries on the dais to join for awarding.
Good afternoon to you all. I am happy to present before you the gold medalists of undergraduates. After thorough evaluation of performance in academics, sports, cultural events, and extracurricular activities, I am pleased to present the President's Gold Medal for Best Outgoing Undergraduate Student to Dr. Akhil Montero. Let's welcome him with big round of applause.
Hearty congratulations to all the prize winners. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, dignitaries. Congratulations to all the awardees. May you continue to achieve laurels and serve as a guiding light to inspire others. We are We are grateful to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenepoya deemed to be University, for gracing this occasion with his esteemed presence. As a token of our gratitude, may I request Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions, to kindly present memento to our chief guest. Thank you, Your Excellency.
May I now humbly request Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop, Mangalore Diocese, and President, Father Muller Charitable Institutions, to deliver the presidential address.
Respected Director, the Administrator, the Chief Guest of the Day, Dr. Gangadhara Somayaji, the Principal, the Vice Principal, the faculty, honored guests, dignitaries on the days, members of the family, parents, and especially the graduates and postgraduates. I heartily congratulate all the graduates and postgraduates, and especially those who have won many ranks for our institution and have made our institution more renowned this year. I thank you and congratulate you. Today is more than a ceremony. It is a milestone that marks both achievement and responsibility. You know what this responsibility means, already we have heard. Standing here on the occasion of your graduation, so close to World Homoeopathy Day, which we celebrated on 10th of this month, we are reminded of the legacy of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, whose vision continues to shape the path you are about to walk. As graduates, you are entering a world that is rapidly changing. Everything is changing every day. Even patients today come almost well informed about their symptoms, checking the websites, and to get a probable diagnosis of their own ailments when they visit different websites, and they prepare themselves to dialogue with you. And as homeopathy begins with a dialogue, respect for the patient, and writing down the history, I am sure they are well informed how to face those questions without much suspicion or anxiety. In an environment, mere knowledge acquired in the classrooms and clinics is not enough, you know it. You need to have the evidence, innovation, and rigorous research, and that's what we have been insisting on. Homeopathy has always stood on principles that empathize individualization, minimal intervention, and a holistic understanding of health. Homeopathy is considered as an alternative way of treatment many times, but with your expertise, you can show that this method is not merely a secondary one, but it has its own merits to deal with many chronic diseases, and it can heal a vast gamut of sicknesses. Every case or every person that you treat is special. That person brings in knowledge, wisdom, experience of having suffered the pain, and also as acquired wisdom naturally, because wisdom grows with pain and suffering. And they will add to the fund of knowledge you have already acquired. And when you analyze this knowledge critically, your practice becomes very efficient and effective. Nowadays, the patients question the doctor. Do not shy away from this questioning, because every question is a kind of a step for future research. Do not test their patience, but make them feel comfortable. Progress in any field comes from curiosity, we know, and with discipline. I remember a few days ago the papers carried the news that the speakers insisted on research to unfold the potentialities of the homeopathy medical treatment methods. It is something very unique, this field of study, which has compassion as the base, listening, attentive listening as the clue giver, and understanding the patient as a whole person. We don't really deal with symptoms alone, but you try to get the totality of the person's inner reaction. You might be knowing this medicine is meant for this sickness, but whether that medicine for this sickness works with this person, that is not known. And that's why your patience is very much needed. Many times, once one psychiatrist was telling me here in the city, very noted psychiatrist, certain diseases, they are chronic or sometimes they are terminal, medicines don't work. But sometimes you never know. Even at the last moment, a particular drug may work in that particular person. So we have to trust, of course, the heavenly powers and also your own wisdom and administer that medicine. And it has happened even in our own hospital. It was said once a particular person was dying, a priest, of course I know him, and the doctors had only one vial, and he said perhaps it was almost on the verge of expiry. As a kind of a last dose, it was given, administered to him, and he survived. So these are some of the things. I'm not talking about homeopathy though, and there are areas where human beings do react to medicine, and we cannot just give up on any case, go to the last moment. Your commitment to excellence in practice, your lifelong commitment to learning, and your commitment to advancing homeopathy through research will bring a lot of newness in this field. I want to conclude that, dear doctors, many times the patients come with tears and you receive them with a smile and compassion. Your smile will heal them, and those tears will vanish, and you will instill hope in them. Many times this hope brings healing. The fight begins when you are there, and the patient will fight against the sickness because of your encouraging words and your presence. It is a salubrious presence. It heals. It brings newness in the life of the people. So may you become the great instruments of our great God, who brings healing and fullness of life. Congratulations once again, and God bless you. God bless the institution, God bless the faculty, and God bless all of you, the managing committee members, the governing body members, and each and everyone who are involved in this great institute of learning. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for your inspiring address.
We are honored by the gracious presence of our President on this solemn occasion. As a token of our gratitude and appreciation, may I request Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director, Father Muller Charitable Institutions, to present a memento to our Bishop. Thank you, Father.
Gratitude is the most exquisite form of courtesy. It enriches the present and inspires the future. With this sentiment, I invite Reverend Father Donald Nilesh Krasta, Administrator, Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital, to propose the vote of thanks.
Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions, and also President of today's graduation ceremony, Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Yenepoya deemed to be University Mangaluru, the chief guest of today's program, Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, Director, Father Muller Charitable Institutions, dignitaries on the days of the days, graduates, parents, guardians, priests in the management, faculty, staff, students, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings and good wishes of this great and eventful day. As the administrator of Father Muller Homoeopathy Medical College and Hospital, I feel privileged and delighted to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who contributed to the success of today's event. First and foremost, I thank God Almighty for His benevolent blessings upon this great institution and especially for granting us this joyous day of jubilation and celebration. I extend my sincere thanks to Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldanha, Bishop of Mangalore Diocese and the President of Father Muller Charitable Institutions, who presides over this graduation ceremony. His prayers and good wishes are always with us. Dear Bishop, on behalf of Director of Father Muller Charitable Institutions and the entire Father Muller Homoeopathy Medical College family, I thank you wholeheartedly for gracing this occasion and for delivering such an inspiring message. Thank you, dear Bishop. Our sincere thanks goes to Dr. K.S. Gangadhara Somayaji, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Yenepoya deemed to be University, Mangalore, the chief guest of today. Sir, we thank you sincerely for accepting our invitation and joining us on this memorable occasion. Your motivational message has inspired our graduates with a strong spirit of service and a deep sense of professionalism. We are truly grateful for your presence, which has added great significance to this celebration. Thank you, dear sir. A sincere gratitude goes to our director, Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo, a visionary leader who tirelessly strives to make lives better and has taken remarkable initiatives to keep this institution relevant in changing times. It is a matter of great joy for me to be his collaborator in the administration in this institution. We deeply appreciate his committed service and invaluable contributions, especially to the Homoeopathic Medical College and Hospital, and his special concern for the faculty, students, and dear graduates. Dear Father, thank you for your gracious presence and for your inspiring welcome address. Thank you, dear Father. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the priests, the administrators, assistant administrators, and the spiritual directors. Your constant support has strengthened and inspired us in all our work. Thank you, one and all. We wholeheartedly thank the members of governing body members of the management committee, the Dean of Father Muller Medical College, the principals, the faculty members of all the colleges of FMCI for your gracious presence and being our partners in our endeavors. We also extend our sincere thanks to the medical superintendents, their deputies, and all the staff members of the hospitals who work hand in hand with the college. Your presence today and your continued collaboration greatly help our students gain valuable hands-on experience. Thank you, one and all. A special word of appreciation to Reverend Father Nelson Dheeraj Pais, Administrator of Father Muller Homoeopathic Pharmaceutical Division, and also Reverend Father Ashwin Lawrence Krasta, Assistant Administrator, who are closely associated with and actively involved in the Homeopathic College and Hospital. Your continuous leadership and encouragement help our students gain better exposure and grow in their professional journey. We are truly grateful for your unwavering support and guidance. Thank you, dear fathers. Our special word of thanks to the Principal, Dr. E.S.J. Prabhukiran, the Vice Principal, Dr. Vilma Mira de Souza, the Medical Superintendent, Dr. Girish Navada, the Deputy Medical Superintendent, Dr. Deepa Pais, the UG Coordinator, Dr. Amita, Intern Coordinator, Dr. Rachel, and the PG Coordinator, Dr. Rajachandra, the teaching faculty, non-teaching faculty, and the SMOs, RMOs, doctors, nurses, ward mates, and the caretakers. All of you contribute generously to the academic formation of our students. May God bless your effort. We express our sincere gratitude to the wardens, Sister Mary Juliet, Sister Teresa Francis, Dr. Perlin, and Mr. Shawat, for their constant care and supervision of the hostel. They often forgo their rest at night, yet all of them render their service with great dedication and faithfulness. I sincerely appreciate the efforts of the graduation committee led by Dr. Rachel Noronna, along with the chairpersons and members of various committees, for organizing today's program with professionalism and meticulous planning. Thank you to all. Special thanks to the Masters of Ceremony, Dr. Mabel Andrade and Dr. Shreyank Kotian, Dr. Srikanya for the graduates' response prayer song team led by Dr. Ms. Alvin and team, the volunteers and the supportive staff for your dedicated service. I also thank the Student Council and all the students for your presence and your hard work throughout the year. We are truly grateful to you. We gratefully acknowledge the contributions of the rose arrangers, the decorators, Jain caterers for the delicious food, Canara Communication Center for the live telecast, Stanley Buntwell for the photography and videography, the hall manager, Mr. Valerian and team. You have made this day truly memorable with your efforts and the wonderful ambience. Thank you. The media friends are our messengers to the world. You are with us always by giving constant coverage to the programs of Father Muller charitable institutions. While requesting to give wide coverage of today's event, we thank you sincerely. I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to all the parents and guardians of our graduates who experience a deep sense of pride and satisfaction of seeing their sons and daughters graduating today. Dear parents, congratulations on this proud moment. You have played a vital role in their formation and education, and we gratefully acknowledge your support and contribution. My heartiest congratulations and felicitation to all the 111 graduates. The holistic formation you have received at Father Muller's will help you to realize your dreams and become human, committed, and sincere medical professionals. We wish you a bright future. Bloom wherever you are planted. Remain connected with your alma mater and continue to support and strengthen one another. Once again, I thank you, each and every one of you who has helped directly or indirectly. Thank you. God bless us all.
Thank you, Father.
In pride and gratitude to our alma mater, let us now stand together in unity. May I request everyone to kindly rise for the institution anthem.
Serve
Kindly remain standing for the recession. With this, we come to the conclusion of the graduation ceremony 2026. The recession will begin with the dignitaries, followed by the heads of the departments, professors, associate professors, guides, postgraduates and the graduates of Father Muller Homoeopathic Medical College. We wish all our graduates and postgraduates a fulfilling and enriching journey ahead as you uphold the noble motto, heal and comfort.
Graduates, as you embark on this new journey, keep your dreams alive, your determination strong, and your hearts open to endless possibilities. Embrace challenges and celebrate every victory. Congratulations once again. Go forth and make your mark on the world.
Audience are requested to proceed for lunch, which is served at Muller Dine on the first floor. Volunteers are available to assist you. Audience are requested to proceed for lunch, which is served at Muller Dine on the first floor. The volunteers are available to assist you. This is Dr. Shreyank Eskotian
And Dr. Mabel Pranita Andrade
signing off. Thank you and have a pleasant day ahead.